day. Very convenient and fast, great experience. It will be more convenient and quicker than the live time, a great experience. It will be more convenient and quicker than the live time, a great experience. Will come again next time, more cost-effective than machine. That really cheap price. The boat on time in schedule. The number of passengers is just short and the charter experience is very good. The captain will also introduce the characteristics of the attractions and the cleanliness of the boat will also be kept very good. Very good. Will recommend a friend to Sun Moon Lake also buy this cruise ticket. It and number 39, very cheap, a trip to the lake, one person only costs 100 yuan. Thank you, Dave, for providing such a cheap ticket, it is very convenient. Very good and value price, easy to find the redemption counter and fast service, will recommend to friend. The tickets per pax at walk-in counter cost NT 300. Luckily purchase from Day only cost NT 97 plus per pax. Super low rate. Thumbs up. The ticket booths of the Green World are easy to find. Just walk up at the Shuish Pier and turn left at the intersection. When the conductor noticed that he had booked, it was Day. This is a good travel experience. I will continue to use Day in the future. Green energy electric boat, no bad smell of diesel, not many tourists on the yacht, is not crowded, the staff is also very kind. Very good. Only cost us NTD 501 for 5 tickets instead of NTD 1,500, NP. NTD 300 each tickets. The tickets ordered here are different from those of Green World and number 39, boats and others. Green World and number 39, boats do not have many people who can enjoy the feeling of chartering, and the crew of the boat will explain the characteristics and origins of the various piers. Money is worth it. Very convenient ticketing method. And it is an electric cruise boat that doesn't and number 39, smell bad and has a seasickness. We sat in the open air all the time, the breeze slowly, very pleasant. Thanks to Day first selected, save us from being sold around, compared with each ship type. _future Sun Moon Lake, swimming lake or other recreational ticket, preferred ticket method. It must be Day.